Good morning. Stock market's been open. We have a 21.05. We got a $3 bid and ask. That we do. Not only that, you retail traders, all you do is look at it and then start running for the hills. Why? Because you cannot deal with 2055 now, and you cannot deal with 1770 because you can't. And we know you want to. And that is the reason why you should come here. Remember, this is live, and hey, is there anything wrong with dealing with reality? Between the bid and ask of an option that's a monthly contract relative to the opening bell here on Apple, just like we did yesterday. That thing was just $3 wide. You got a bid here and you got an ask here. Come here in this room right now and show me how you're going to get in there. I want to see it. I want to see it. And what we're going to do now is we're going to go over here and we're going to cross the market. And this is not a retail trading platform. That's a 1740. Huh? Oh, 1740 by 2035. Now watch me manipulate them. I will manipulate them. And I'm going to go buy. And I'm going to go right here at 1770. And I'm going to manipulate that. Now watch the bid and ask. They all came. They all followed me. I'm going to raise that bid up, and I'm going to let them get stuffed in the toilet. So right here, I'm going to cancel that order, and now, what am I going to do? I'm going to manipulate everybody out here. And how am I going to do it? I'm going to do it with one contract. And I don't care what you think. This is the reality of it. Come here and show me how to do it. I want to know how you can show me. There's 1785. Right there. They all came right there. I'm walking them up. I'm going to come off of it. I'm going to cancel it. That means between the bid and ask range, I'm making them go higher up. Now watch. We're going to do it again. This time, we're going to go like this. We're going to go 18. We're going to go 0.6. That is almost $1 above these people, and we're going to make them wish they never ever seen me. Because I'm going to manipulate everybody in the pit. And I just went 1860. And I made them go 1860. Now I'm going to cancel all. And I'm going to work that bid and ask range. I made them go up there. Oh, yes, I did. And this is live. Now watch. We're going to go for it again. And here's what we're going to do. We're going to go 1818. Oh, yeah. We are going to go what? We're going to go 1890. Actually, we're going to go $19. And we're going to manipulate them all. I am making them raise the bid. And I just went $19 right there. And he printed me. No, he did not. So let's cancel it and see what happened here. There it is, 1865. And once again, show me the money. I want you to show me the money. Now, the bid is 1865. And we're going to do this again. We made them come up higher. So let's go to buy. And let's go 18. Now let's see what happens. Okay? We didn't get hit, but we got them all. And they can't see our order because the order is hidden. Cancel all. That's what we did. Now, what we want you to know is how do you manipulate that wide bid and ask range. And we know beyond a reasonable doubt when you retail trading people are trying to trade options, you don't know what to do with it. But here's the good news. We will teach you because we care about you and your entry. All right, there he goes. I got him to raise it up to $19. Yes, I did. They're 20. Now look at it. $1.10 wide between a bid and ask. $1.10 wide between a bid and ask. So what are we going to do? We are going to do the following. We are going to make them go higher. I have walked that bid up. Now we're going to go like this. We are going to go up to MMTs. Watch this. We're going to make them wish they never seen us. 1940. That's what we're willing to do. We are willing to go 1940, and they'll probably hit us. 1940 is out there. There it is. There's 1940. I made them all come up. So I've walked that bid all the way up there, and I'm going to cancel all, and I'm going to let them get stuffed in the toilet because I'm in control. I'm in control. Yeah. Sorry. I know how to take control. I know how to control emotions. I know how to contract that bid and that ask. And I know that's something you want. Here you go. We got someone to pay $19.82 because, as you've seen in 7 minutes, with Apple trading right here in the equity itself, it's 552 and making a series of higher highs. We stuffed somebody and made the retail trader take that price because we controlled their emotions, and we made them go up to the high price all the way to $19.82, which is now going to be the low when this updates. But you can see it right here. How to be in control of the wide bid and ask, and why it's so important for you to know what a market maker does in this option bid. Here we go. Here we go. There's only 4 contracts in the volume, and Apple made a high of 552. Now, we are over here. We made somebody pay $19.82. We made that bid and ask go up there. And what I want you to know, Mr. Retail Public, show me how you're going to get the entry. Yeah, So, let's do this. Let's go ahead and walk them up. Let's go ahead and walk them up again. And I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll go out here. No, we're really going to walk them up. Now, we're going to make them wish we weren't even ever around. Here's that bid. I'm going to make everybody go higher. Here is, now watch. I'm going to go to 1890. I'm going to go to OK. That means they hit me on 1, which is a good thing because now I created the low. Remember, I walked someone up to the high price, but you got to remember, I only did this to manipulate all of the exchanges around the world, and I went 1890 because I need the world to see that low print of 1890. And that is the mechanics of being a true market maker with the wide bid and ask range in Apple. And the thing about it is they take advantage of the public, and we don't find that fair for you. But we have to teach you how to get the entry, because that is ultimately the only way you're going to survive. So we made someone, we walked them up, we created that high, and we also went in here above 1850 to 1890, and we created the low. Now, having said that, here's what we're going to do. We're going to go down because we know that they took that order. We're going to do it with another contract. And we're going to buy one more. And we're going to go 1850. But what are we doing it for? Because we want to manipulate it. So I went out here at 1850. There is my bid. And I made all the other bids follow my 1850. Now it's $1. We'll do the math. 1850, 1950. So it's $1.50 wide between the bid and ask. And I'm going to go cancel because I'm the only one there. I'm the only one there. So 1820 is there, but we walked them up. So they're getting a little bit smarter. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to work this bid. Now we're going to go 1840 because we're going to see if we can manipulate them. Remember, the volume here is only us. And now here I got them to all go up to 1840 with that limit order. And I'm using one contract because I am controlling this market. I am not being controlled. And I made those bids to go up to 1840. And I am going to cancel this in front of your face. Yes, I am. And I will want to manipulate the market. So what am I going to do? I'm going to go 18.6. I'm going to go 18.6. And I'm going to buy one contract at 18.6. I'm going to buy one right here. 18.6. Yabba dabba do. Now, let's see if they follow me. Oh, imagine that. Now, I made them all come in here at 18.6. My MMTs. And my MMTs are learning from a master about the bid and the ask and the market maker mechanics of working this bid and ask. creating the high and creating the low with only 5 volume. Let it be known. Now here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to cancel that because we already walked them up. Now here's what we're going to do. We're going to go up to 1880 again, and we're going to manipulate with one contract. And that was the low that we created already, which was right here. There's my bid, 1880 by 20. Now I'm going to leave it. All of the bids below me are 1860. And now they all want to come into 1880. Now look at the bid. I got that bid higher, and the ask is 20. I'm going to cancel it all because I'm going to make them wish that they didn't see me. I am manipulating the whole market on this name. And this is the glory of doing this again. And now remember, Apple is right here. It's a $2 pullback. So these bids are going to go lower based on what Apple is doing. So what we are going to do, we're going to do the very, very, very opposite. We've already walked this market higher. And now that we've done that, what we're going to do is we're going to go put out 15.5 right here. Don't say I'm not doing it live. I'm doing it before your very eyes. I've already walked the bid. Now, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go 10 contracts on this strike price, and I'm going to create. I am going to create it where the market makers are going to be able to see 15.6. Now, I'm going to put that out there, and that's going to be hidden at the current level of 1785 by 1955. So now that we've created the low and we made someone buy the high on only 5 contracts, we're in control. So we're out there right now at 1550, and we will update everyone later.